Biishopu kugambe ebi n'obuyaabana y'obutumwa bwa Christmas aha 19 z'abantu abayirundanira aha kanisa rugatwa eya St John's omu rubuga Fort Portal.
Of course, also feel sad for what has happened in Gaza, in Congo, Israel, Palestine, Ukraine, and those countries where there is war. We want to pray that the peace of Christ, who was born as the peace of peace, reign in the hearts of those arrogant leaders who want to sort of pomp and power and so on, and cause the misery.
Ebigambo bya Bishop nibijaho hakire kake ubwa nyuma y'abazahambuki ba ADF okucekereza amagara g'abantu bari kuhingana 10 mu district ya Kamwenge Sabite Huire.
Special condolences to the people who recently got attacks. People were killed in Kamwenge. The ADF rebels were very upset. People were killed, innocent people. So we are called upon those rebels, the ADF rebels, to repent and give us peace in this region.
Tatito mu ruhanga hunayorekana kwatwa habwo umuringo gw'akakoko ka sirimu karimo kajanjara omucyange cya Toro.
We want to appeal to you to avoid sexual immorality. We have a big challenge of HIV coming up again in this country. It's a sad story, mainly affecting the young people.
Twazumurka Mwenge Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa East Ruwenzori Diocese George Keturi yasingura yasima mukuru w'ihanga hamwe nawe byo kwirinda habo kwirukangira amakagaba bisirwa bahekera ba ADF.
kandi no kureba mu hati ari abantu abagenzi ubusinde tubona kusema bantu bice teriyanga yego mungaro president wetu na kwasi mazino ugashira
atisi habaye ibintu twashimye cyo kubanza twayirinda kandi no yasimbuza
abekerezaho nabwo bashabo kwerinde bikora byo kubatanisa no kwikiriza kwabo kandi bongera amano mu kwetungura.
abakaza bari yumva umanyara abakaza nabo aribo bomuka ukaino na chambosi cyanga nabo bariyo wishize Yesu akuzwe
Mfanye no kushimira abo kubazinzi babase kukakireke asimahanga byakoreye n'ibindi abase kundabya umwaka w'ubwona
Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwire hamwe na Anthony Twine.